Shenzhen Yongchenghui Precision Machinery Company Limited is situated in Guangming District. Shenzhen ranking as a reputable supplier of precision mechanical parts and comprehensive manufacturing solutions. We focus on designing and manufacturing timing pulleys, timing belts, polyurethane rubber silicone wheels, rollers, couplings, multi-rib belts, gears, as well as offering professional CNC machining services. Boasting over a decade of industrial experience, we supply premium quality products, catering to diverse global industrial demands. We excel at developing customized, non-standard products and strictly adhere to high-precision manufacturing standards. Equipped with sophisticated production equipment and implementing stringent quality control systems, our professional engineers polish every production detail. A dedicated inspection team adopts high-accuracy testing devices to conduct thorough quality checks, ensuring all finished items fully satisfy and even surpass client expectations. We uphold a customer-oriented service philosophy. Our seasoned sales and technical teams respond swiftly to inquiries within 1 hour, finished drawing design and formal quotation within 2 hours. We guarantee fast lead time, intact one-time delivery, alongside reliable after-sale support. Remake service is available for unsatisfactory goods, enabling clients to place orders with complete confidence. Our merchandise gains widespread popularity and favorable feedback across North America, Europe, South America, Singapore, Australia, and other regions. We regard quality and credibility as core competitiveness. Committed to steady improvement, we strive to deliver superior products and thoughtful services. Feel free to contact us for product details and sample requests, and we will respond promptly.